Do y'all see the side now? What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to our boys with another YouTube video, man. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to put on spacers. I won't be skipping none, I won't be trimming none, I won't even be speeding nothing up, bro. This will be strict. Well, I might speed certain parts up, stuff that's like obvious, but make sure that y'all hit that like button, hit that sub button, man. I am on my new channel. Hey, we still on the road to 100K on my other channel. I need like 19,000 more subs. Make sure y'all boys sub to this channel too, man, because on this channel I just hit 60 subs. So this is my 4th video, but I got 3 videos up now, so just keep on tuning in with your boy, man. Here goes the spacers. Y'all can slow down, y'all can read anything that y'all want, I don't care. But we go start this right now. And the only things that you need is obviously the spacers. I got these from Amazon. I'm gonna put them in the little description. But my homie, he got some of these, so he just really referred these spacers to me. Take them out the bag so y'all can see them. These joints is thick too, bro. Super thick. I think they was like 1.97. These was wheels for a slim body. I didn't know until I put them on this. I'm like, damn. A lot of people, they ain't really say nothing, but y'all could probably tell it's obviously room. So we gonna fix that with these spacers. All right, y'all, so these are the only tools that y'all would need. Impact wrench, man. Make sure that y'all do not use an impact socket like this. Y'all would need an impact socket for obviously your wheels, a 22 impact socket. But make sure that y'all use the normal sockets because it will not fit inside of this. Let me show y'all. Like how that go in there, it will not fit, bro. So make sure that y'all get a decent little torque wrench. This torque wrench was probably like $50 at AutoZone. 2 sockets, bro. Both 22s if you got a Dodge Charger or I don't know what car you trying to put on, but this is the spacer, man. This joint is thick, thick, thick. So let's get into it. I'm not cutting this either, bro. I'm about to show y'all every little step, every little thing. This is pretty easy, bro. First, we go lift the car. If you don't know how to lift a car, bro, I would not recommend you do this, but let me show you. Just in case you don't know how to lift these joints. I don't know if y'all can see it, but can y'all see it? So shit, choose whatever you want to mount it to. I don't really care. You do not gotta jack it all the way up to the motherfucking sky, bro. Just make sure it's off the ground. Like this is perfect. One, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. That easy. And you just take off the wheel. Just roll it, roll it, roll it. These is wheels, bro, so they go stand up. But I would advise you to lay them joints down. But these wheels stand up, bro. Yeah. What you gotta do is just grab your spacer. You don't even really gotta unscrew these, bro, because these spacers go right on. I ain't cutting this, man. Anything that I do, my motherfucking mistakes, bro, y'all will see. Anything that I drop, all these damn birds, bro. Every one of my neighbors got bird feeders, bro. I low-key hate them, but it is what it is, bro. Got one more love to tighten. So tighten them by hand, and then we go in and use the torque wrench. Almost forgetting my own rule. Not even my rule, bro. The golden rule, should I say. A lot of people, they don't even use torque wrenches, bro. We'll roll this joint back.
Wow.
Say hi, Sonny. Look.
Hi.
Look, the camera. Say hi. Don't touch it. I'm trying to look.
Hi.
Come over here. That's my boy. He be wanting to help me with everything. You want to help, Papa? Huh? You want to help, Papa? Wait. Don't drop that. Don't. Is it heavy? Is it heavy? Yeah.
Duh.
How are you making this stick?
Alright, y'all, so we done. Drop this. Let me know what y'all think about this joint. Look completely different. Push that one to the side. Now we finna start with these joints. Like I said, these are 1.97. I think it was like 50 millimeter. Alright, y'all, and if y'all noticed that the atmosphere, like the lighting and all that different, man, I had to go somewhere, bro. I just got this call that was like a real important call, bro. I had to get up and go. You should go right on, and all you gotta do is take off these lug nuts. Clumsy today, bro. Take off these lug nuts and put it right on. Put the lug nuts right on, bro. It's that easy. I'm not gonna turn them on all the way yet. This is just so y'all can see what I'm doing. I low-key forgot I had these extensions, bro. So there we go, the spacer is on. Alright, y'all, so it's done. Show y'all how that drop look. Oh my God. Do y'all see the side now? Yeah, that's perfect. I ain't think it was gonna be this perfect. Y'all see that? Look. We went from that to this. Oh my God. Now all I gotta do is just lower it. I might lower it, like lower the back about like 1.7 inches. Something like that, cause I don't want it too low. I might lower it even lower, bro. You never know that I'm gonna lower the front for sure. Like probably like 0 point something. I definitely gotta buy some springs. Huh? What you think about it? What you think about it? Do this? You want me to do the front? Nah, the front don't even need it, but hey, make sure to hit that like button, hit that sub button, man. I just showed y'all boys how to do it yourself, man.